Hi, folks. Thanks for taking a look at our Kickstarter. Together we are one, two, three, Mr.
Mr.
Bricolage.
Bricolage.
Whatever. I'm James Stone. I'm a graduate student at the Pennsylvania State University and a new media artist.
And I'm Thomas Asmuth, artist and professor at University of West Florida.
We're using a thing called an audio exciter. So an audio exciter is a little bit different than a speaker. Instead of vibrating a cone, what it actually does is vibrates a surface. So when you place an audio emitter onto any sort of surface, certain surfaces will project sound more than others. It actually excites the surface, the entire surface, and has sound come out of it. So what we're interested in doing is taking these, putting them into gloves as a wearable device so that when you go up, put your hand on an object, you can broadcast the sound through that.
James and I have been invited to demonstrate this project and lead a workshop in it at Isaiah 2011. The International Symposium for Electronic Arts will be in Turkey, the city of Istanbul, this year. It's being held at the same time as the Istanbul Biennial, and we're really looking forward to the opportunity to be in such a rich art environment. We're going to share our knowledge to teach other artists and performers how to build this device. We want to see what others can imagine this device to become.
We're not just giving them a tool, we're actually teaching them and bringing them through the process of building it themselves. So soldering irons and electronics and soldering it, to embedding it in the gloves and sewing it together, to how to use it and maybe wear it and bring it out of the workshop and use it, within the environment. And really we're trying to build community in the sense of like a knitting circle or in the DIY movement where people get together and have a community-based event and kind of build relationships through the process of building these devices.
Earlier in our collaboration, we've had a lot of success working with these sorts of workshops where we'd set up sort of a kit and invite people, especially novices, who had no knowledge of hardware building or electronics, and creating something that's really achievable for them and empowers them quite a bit.
Absolutely. And I think also interested in kind of a demystification of the technology, opening it up to anyone so that anyone, regardless of their background or their familiarity with the tools or with electronics, can come to the workshop and build these things and feel empowered by